The hills and far away, faction tubbies come to play.
1, 2, 3. What's happening?
Callie! Hey!
She's in VFib, no pulse.
Hey, come on.
Charging is 200.
Callie, come on!
Where? 9. For some of the V6 mounts
Evening,
of the
John.
Bronco,
Evening,
that will allow us
Jimmy.
to be able to get into the site.
You working again?
No, I just sorting some stuff out. Hey, Jimmy.
Gas leak?
Yeah, gas leak.
You working again?
People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
Tell me, Joe.
Oh, wow. Dude, you look beautiful. Why are you
My haircut today.
I could tell. Looks good.
All right, guys, this is the first video back after a year and a half.
Congratulations. Well, the reason we quit is we weren't getting any tips.
We weren't getting any younger.
With you guys, the reason we stopped, it seems like no one gives a shit. we're out here every day pouring our heart and soul into it, even though we're not, because we have day jobs, and no one knows that. They want us to.
I'm gonna have to buy a whole other Bronco because I'm confused. Thanks.
Don't tell them that.
Just kidding. It's pretty easy. Just kidding. I lied. All right, update video, John. Go. He runs away.
Turns out the Miata's still gonna somehow work.